Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using RCS Custom Nail Dips. The first color here is a beautiful blue foil and it is called Gemstone, and it is a dark sapphire blue dip, and it has aqua and lime green shifting flakes in here, and they're really pretty and the flakes are very tiny, so it's super easy to work with. And then the next color here is Blue Lagoon, and it is a awesome blue and it has little shimmers in there of green. And it's super subtle and it's very pretty, and it complements Gemstone so well with the lime green flakes. And then for today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method. And then on my right hand, I do have full coverage jelly tips, and those are from Triple D. And then that little finger rest you're seeing there, it is in the color called Bubblegum, and that is from Liquid Layers. So I will go ahead and link everything that we're using today in that description box below, and I'll go ahead and let you watch this mani process. Alright, so we're just finishing up this mani here, and if you ever had trouble using a foil dip, I definitely recommend trying it with the gel method. It just helps keep those foils nice and clean and the colors are supposed to be, because sometimes when I do foils with the dip liquids, the foils tend to bleed. But when I'm doing the gel method, I don't have any problems with the foils bleeding or any of that color kind of blending together, and it keeps the foils looking really nice. So I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super pretty. I think the blues are super fun. Definitely a good mani to kind of end the summer season, but yet transfer into that beautiful autumn season. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!